Welcome, this is my latest video and it will be on the motors. So as you can see, this is the wrist still, and these are the motors that are going to be powering the entire thing. I put the battery pack at the end here so the wrist can still move. That's pretty cool. So the motors were actually quite easy to connect. I just had to first play around with a lot of different configurations for the motors so that they would fit neatly and not look too bulky. I still want to make some cover around it to make it look more smooth and round like it is here. But yeah, how it works is I used these two stronger motors to drive the fingers and the thumb. So as you can see, they go through these things, which I explained in an older video. They go through the wrist and then they end up here. And finally, I'm using one smaller motor, which will be able to rotate the wrist around, as you can see, like that. So, yeah, that's what I've got on the motor so far. There are some pros and cons of them. The pro is that they're very fast, which is useful for when I'm using a piston, because you need to rotate it a lot of times in order to make it move the fingers. As you can see, I need to rotate it a lot. But the problem is that for the thumb, very little rotation, so maybe one turn, can already have a lot of effect. So I want to try and maybe downplay this by using gears to make it slower and stronger, but this is going to be hard to fit in because it needs to be very compact. So I'm going to attempt to just fix this in the controlling software of the hub, because I am going to be using Bluetooth from my phone. I can't show you right now because my phone is filming, but yeah, that's a quick update on how far I am with the motors.